class, yeah. The bitches hating, they mad ass. Girl, you bad, I told you to send me a cash tag.
Welcome to the Junior Suite Ocean View at the brand new RIU Aquarelle, Jamaica. For the duration of our stay, we'll be occupying room 1066, which is located on the 10th floor. Let me show you everything this luxurious room has to offer. A unique feature that I really love about this room is that your room key controls the light. So to turn the lights on or off, you will need to insert your key card into the slot. And of course, depending on your room's layout, this slot will either be on the left or the right side as you enter. The bathroom is sleek and stylish, featuring a walk-in rainfall shower, double sinks, and premium toiletries to make your stay even more comfortable. The room is spacious, and of course, this room category comes with a standard king-size bed or 2 double beds depending on your preference. It also has a cozy seating area. The suite includes a large flat-screen television, a minibar that's restocked daily. You also have full bottles of various liquor that you can dive into, a coffee maker, plenty of storage space for your belongings. One of the highlights of this suite is a private balcony or terrace. Step outside to take in the breathtaking ocean views, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or the quiet evening sound of the waves, not to mention, did I say views? The gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous views. Of course, the resort offers 24-hour room service, so you can enjoy a number of meals and snacks without leaving the comfort of your beautiful suite. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, be free to drop them in the comments and let me know. Could you see yourself staying here? Don't forget to email info@artraveladventures.com to book, and don't miss the full RIU Aquarelle overview. Subscribe and hit that notification bell, and until next time, stay adventurous.
Secret girl, you got me confused. Yeah, that smile is in your hair, the way you party with your friends, girl. Is it those shoes or that dress? I wanna make up on your face, so fabulous.